Good morning. So I bought these Johnsonville already cooked sausages, so I just have to warm them up. So I got some muffins, English muffins. So I'm gonna make an eggless sausage McMuffin this morning for breakfast. All right. Got the bread toasted, keeping it warm for the sausage to heat up. I'll put some cheese on it. Good morning again. I'll make muffin. Wow, that's good. And saved like $8. I don't know what their sausage McMuffins cost here in Quartzsite, but over the last few years they have gone up quite a bit, McDonald's. So we are on our way for the second day of setting up for Tyson wells. And I remembered last night we hadn't gotten the permit. So first on the agenda today is we got to get the sales permit. So we are headed back to the library. If you didn't see that video, we tried once to go get it and they were closed. They're closed on Fridays, so tomorrow's Friday. So we don't get another chance other than today. So you have to display that permit on your booth. And last year the city came around. I guess it was somebody from the city came around and checked everybody's permit. So yeah, you don't want to forget that. So we're headed there first. There's the Camel Express. All right, let's try this again. We're at the library to get the permit. You got it. Illegal.
I got the seal of approval.
You did.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm headed to La Posa South to pick up a table. We needed one more table. You think you have everything, and we needed one more table. We forgot about keeping the books up off the floor or the ground of, in the tent. If you didn't see last year's, the water geyser that ended up, the faucet, I wasn't there, but it ended up spewing and water was all, I'll link that video. It's Deborah's video, but if the books would have been sitting on the ground, yeah, paper and water don't mix. So thank you, Lisa. Lisa's letting us borrow a table. We looked here in Quartzsite for one of those plastic foldable tables and we couldn't find one. So she is gonna let us borrow it until after the sale. And so I'm headed there right now to pick up that table. Okay, we're getting closer and closer. Tent's back there in the back. We got the wall up, got the sign up. We're just now starting on the table. And we're getting there. Almost done.